Another type of relationship between populations is a symbiotic relationship. Symbiotic relationships are defined as close interactions between organisms of different species for an extended period of time. Although one species always benefits in a symbiotic relationship, the second species may be harmed, not affected at all, or may also benefit. There are three types of symbiotic relationships: parasitism, commensalism, and mutualism. Parasites are very much like predators. However, they are usually much smaller and more numerous than their prey, who are called hosts. Common examples of parasites include ticks, fleas, leeches, as well as viruses and bacteria. These organisms live on or in their hosts, often without killing them. Eel-like lampreys exemplify parasitic behavior. Attaching themselves to fish, they derive nutrients directly from the blood of the host fish. Commensalism is a relationship where one of the organisms benefits while the other is unaffected. An example of commensalism occurs as herds of buffalo graze on grasslands. The buffalo disturb insects dwelling in the grass as they graze. Birds follow the buffalo herds to eat the insects the buffalo dislodge as they graze. The birds benefit from the easy access to insects, while the buffalo are unaffected. Mutualism occurs when two organisms interact in a way that is beneficial to both. An example of this is the relationship that exists between clownfish and sea anemones. Clownfish obtain protection from predators in the stinging tentacles of sea anemones, while the fish provide the sea anemone with occasional bits of food. Another mutually beneficial relationship is between insects and flowers. Bees and other pollinating insects benefit from the high-energy nectar of the flowers, while the plants benefit by not having to produce as much pollen, because the distribution of pollen by insects is much more efficient than its distribution through the wind.